Okay, show their remotes.
You have to plastic box. It's in this box. Right here. So this red one. Over here.
Christmas stuff. Okay, there's remote stuck.
Hey, Cade. Just pull that remote up from under there. There you go.
Mommy, you ready for me, Mama?
There's a what?
Ready for some? What's that?
Not yet. It says our first Christmas together.
Christmas.
Hey, Derek, what are you doing today? Are you helping? Helping hang them up?
You freeze.
Hey,
Well.
Derek.
This would be 10. It's all be 10. You don't have your hands up.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy, what happened to our garbage can, Dad?
We're getting a new one.
What happened to ours?
It broke.
Yay!
Cade took his first real steps today. I mean, real ones. Look out, Derek.
I'm gonna go get your stuff.
Okay, ready?
Good job. Good job.
Want to do it again? You come here.
Maybe he can walk to Big Brother.
Okay, Derek, hold your arms out.
Yeah.
Okay, no, so sit over here.
Stand back.
Oh, we didn't tip over that time.
But put your hands out to reach for him, Derek, and maybe he'll come to you.
Dade. Hey, Jackson.
Yay! You did it! Come back to mommy!
Because I want to catch your mom.
Oh!
I wanted to catch
Okay,
you.
hold your hands out. Pussy brother. Pussy brother. Come here, kid.
Oh.
He's picking it up.
You did it! He's very proud.
Let me go. Let me do it again.
Oh, Derek. Oh, Derek. Let him do it himself. Derek. Derek. Come here, Scoops.
Stand up, Scoopies.
Come on. Pussy daddy. Where's daddy? Where's daddy?
I want to catch you.
Watch out, Derek. Watch out, honey.
I'll
Watch
catch
out.
you.
Watch out.
Hey, Jackson.
You're doing it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pirouetting all over. Come here. Come here. Stand up. Stand up.
I want to catch you, Kate.
Watch out, Derek. Watch out.
I got him.
You did it! Yay!
I want to catch him.
You did it!
Hey,
So
Jackson,
proud.
can I catch you? You would just give me a Cheerio.
Okay. Cade. Oh, you gave brother another cherry. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice, Kate.
He's feeding me.
He is.
Feed the animals, Kate.
Oh, look at that. Getting that out. Yay!
He came.
He's very proud, very happy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ready? Stand up. Stand up. Whoa. Stand back up. Use your balance. Use your balance. Oh. That was silly. That was so silly. Okay, come on. Come on, stand up. Stand up. You can do it. Okay. Oh. Okay, come walk to mommy. Cade. Cade Jackson.
No, honey. Audrey, okay? I'm just hungry for cereal.
Okay. Okay, then. Let's get that. Oh, no. That's gonna cruise over.
Hey. What are you eating, Cade? Peekaboo.
Cade.
Can you walk to mommy?
Cade.
Can you walk to mom?
Come here, Cade.
You can try, mommy. Oh.
I'm gonna taste it.
Your brother have a taste of your water?
Let me see if it's almost out. No, not yet.
Okay. Dog on. Dog on. Thank you, big brother.
Some water.
Alright. Okay, can you go get some more water?
Yes, I go get some.